The dental industry is changing, and that may or may not be a good thing for patients. Consolidation is leading to less dentists owning their businesses and more dentists working by contract for companies that have fiduciary responsibilities to shareholders who desire returns. Increasingly, patients are feeling the effects by having less time with dentists, more procedures by techs and assistants, and high turnover of dentists and staff. We spoke with the founder and CEO of Branin, Dr. Scott Dudley, to understand how Branin is empowering dentists to retain ownership and autonomy, and how that is great news for Branin patients.
So Branin is the name of our company, and our dental offices are Branin Center for Dentistry or by Branin. And I think what makes all of our offices unique, I think what makes our offices special, is all of our Branin offices are owned and controlled by dentists. At Branin dental offices, we have a standard of care, and we like to think of it as a higher standard of care. And when I talk about the higher standard of care, what's happening in our industry through the consolidation is less patient-doctor time and more procedures are getting outsourced to assistants and techs that we feel that dentists should be doing. And I think at our offices, you're going to feel a difference because our dentists are putting the time in and they're not outsourcing crown seats and fillings and things like that to assistants and techs, which can technically do those procedures, but we feel it's a responsibility of the dentist. One of the biggest points that doctors who are thinking about joining Branin will appreciate is the preservation of their autonomy. And that's because they're tied to the office because they own the office. And so staff really appreciate that as well. As more and more doctors are being employed by offices as W-2 employees or contracted employees that can leave at any time, doctors who own that practice, they're putting their relationship on the line for their patients, and they're putting their relationship on the line for their staff. And the staff know they're not going anywhere, and the patients know they're not going anywhere. We think that's a beautiful thing at Branin.
I think the doctors make it a really different experience. They're really great not only with patient education, but also educating their staff, helping their staff learn new skills within their job titles, and helping them grow and expand when they want to do new things.
So each time, whenever you come into our office, you are a family member of ours. You'll notice right when you walk in the door that everyone's going to greet you, whether you have an appointment scheduled with them or not. Someone's always going to come in and introduce themselves because we want you to feel comfortable when you are in the office.
So as a staff member, I would encourage someone to come here instead of another office because we see things that other people don't see. Our technology is far superior than other places that they may have been. We use intraoral photos to show our patients and to educate them on exactly what's happening in their mouth. We also have trans-illuminating lights to show those cracks that other dentists don't see. So we really take pride in showing our patients what they don't see and also educating them as to why things are important.
Branin's mission and vision is really simple. It's great dentistry and it's great dental experiences for our patients. And we get there uniquely because all of our offices are owned, operated, managed, and run by dentists.
The best dentists want autonomy and control of the care they provide their patients. With Branin's support of helping dentists run their businesses, patients will reliably get great dentistry and great dental experiences. If relationship-based family dentistry is important to you, I would encourage you to seek a Branin dental office where you know integrity and reputation are behind your care. Call or text 720-784-3030 or visit www.branin.dental to find an office near you.